Just before we get into today's video, I'd just like to bring something up. So there is a hospice in Liverpool called Zoe's Place, and it's a children's hospice, and they provide a vital service for very sick children and terminally ill children, and they provide vital support for their families and of course for the children themselves. They're always there in our need of help, and God forbid, you never know when you might actually need this service yourself. But now they need our help. The building that they're in has been sold by the owner, and they need to raise millions of pounds to get into a new building and continue the vital service that they provide. I'm going to leave a link in the description for this video. If you can share the link, I'm not bothered about you sharing the video, just please share the link for the GoFundMe page that is run by a friend of mine, Adam Rowe. And please, if you can donate, please do donate. Even if you can't, share the link. Just share it for awareness, and hopefully we can get to this target we need. Thank you. Hello, my name's John from the Stadium YouTube channel, and today I am back down at the new Everton Stadium. We're going to have a fly around, see where the pitch is up to, and take a general look around and just see where everything's up to. If you do like content like this, you can subscribe to our channel, leave a comment in the comment section below, and do share the video with your family and friends. The most important thing about today's video, for me, is the Zoe's Place donation link that will be in this video. If you can, share that more than the video. I'm not bothered about you sharing the video today. Please share that link because they need our help. So, I don't really do stuff like this. It's like, it's actually quite emotional, isn't it? You just need to get there. Also, what we are going to do today is any revenue this video earns today will be donated directly to the Zoe's Place GoFundMe page. So any ad revenue that this video earns will go directly to that, and hopefully they can reach the target and continue doing the amazing work they do. Right. There's where we're going. That's what we're looking for today. Right, let's get up in the air and see what's going on. After the last video, the commentary is a bit of a nightmare. We're going to keep this very short and sweet. We are going to fly over the stadium, take a look, see where the pitch is up to, get over to the Mersey side of the stadium, which is the west, and we'll have a look at the east side as well. I'm going to leave you with some music to get you through, and we've got some more photos that we'll add on to the end of this video. Take care, we'll see you soon, enjoy the video, and please do not forget to share that Zoe's Place link and donate if you can. Thanks a lot.